Imagine turning any bicycle into an e-bike in seconds. Tracking it from anywhere in the world and charging it without plugging in a single cable. These 12 inventions are making it happen right now. Number 12. Topeak SmartGauge D2. What if one tiny device could completely change the way your bike performs? The Topeak SmartGauge D2 solves one of cycling's biggest hidden problems: incorrect tire pressure. This compact digital gauge measures tire, suspension, and shock pressure with high precision up to 250 psi. Its rotating smart head works with both Presta and Schrader valves without adapters, while the LCD screen displays readings in multiple units. Riders can even release air directly through the gauge for perfect adjustments. Small enough for any saddlebag, it improves grip, comfort, speed, and safety. Sometimes the simplest inventions create the biggest difference on every ride. Number 11. BikeOn Kit. What if any bicycle could become a smart electric bike within seconds? The BikeOn Kit makes that possible without tools, complicated installation, or permanent modifications. Just clip it onto your bike and ride. This compact electric drive system gives cyclists extra power for hills, commuting, and long-distance travel while remaining lightweight and portable. But BikeOn goes beyond simple electric assistance. Its upcoming IMU technology will analyze riding dynamics and terrain in real time for smarter performance and efficiency. Designed for convenience and accessibility, it brings modern e-bike technology to ordinary bicycles. Number 10. VabsRider Saddle. What if your bike saddle moved naturally with your body instead of against it? The VabsRider saddle completely rethinks cycling comfort with its unique split-seat design. Instead of concentrating pressure on sensitive areas, the saddle shifts support towards the thighs while following natural leg movement during rides. The result is less numbness, reduced discomfort, and significantly better comfort on long journeys. Riders can also adjust the width, angle, height, and position for a perfect fit. Developed through years of ergonomic research and testing, the VabsRider challenges one of cycling's oldest problems with an entirely new solution. It's not just a saddle, it's a completely different riding experience. Number 9. Envelope cover. Tired of struggling with oversized bike covers during bad weather? The envelope cover fixes that problem instantly with a design that opens just like an umbrella. Instead of wrestling with loose fabric, riders can protect their bicycles within seconds and fold the cover back down just as quickly when ready to ride again. Number 8. Foldylock Elite. What if a bike lock could deliver serious protection without becoming heavy and inconvenient? The Foldylock Elite is a powerful but portable security system designed with sleek engineering. Made of heavy-duty steel links and anti-drill technology for extra security, it is highly resistant to break-ins and is convenient to carry throughout the day. Not like the bulky chains or stiff U-locks, the Foldylock thread neatly into a compact mount on the bike frame. In addition, its versatility enables riders to have additional locking choices in congested city settings. This system is sure to provide long-lasting durability and is easy to use enough for daily commuting in the outdoors. Number 7. Crankbrothers TT17. Ever found yourself halfway through a ride without the bike tools you needed to repair your bike? This is solved by the Crankbrothers TT17, which packs a full-featured emergency kit right into the bike frame itself. Designed to fit inside a 64mm threaded bracket, the compact system remains invisible until needed. Compacted into the inside is a pair of hex keys, 2 Torx drivers, a tire lever, a spoke wrench, a chain tool, and even a towing chain link and a CO2 inflator in case of need. Though it is packed with tools, it remains light, strong, and simple to reach in a flash. The TT17 is constructed with anodized aluminum to withstand the rigors of the trail, and coupled with its assurance of unexpected repairs anywhere, it gives the mountain biker, commuter, and gravel rider a sense of confidence. Number 6. OUTZAC Jet Bike Pump. What if your bike pump could also function as a digital gauge and emergency safety light? The OUTZAC Jet Bike Pump features 3 critical bike implements in a single, lightweight unit. Fast and accurate, inflates up to 130 psi from either a Presta or a Schrader valve, making inflation possible almost anywhere. Set your preferred pressure on the digital display, and the pump will automatically terminate when you reach the PSI. Safety lights are integrated into the LED lights, providing a steady light, breathing light, and SOS light to improve visibility during night rides. Disposable cartridge technology is eliminated with USB-C charging, and the waterproof design makes it reliable through tough weather conditions. It's convenience, accuracy, and safety combined. Number 5. Kamingo e-bike. Kit. Want electric power without replacing the bicycle you already love riding? In only a few seconds, the Kamingo e-bike kit can convert any bicycle into a powerful electric bike. The wired 266 watt-hour battery is small enough to fit in a bottle cage, and the rear motor attaches to the bike with clips that do not require any tools or attachment. Once installed, riders receive smooth pedal assistance and impressive range for commuting, travel, and longer adventures. Even better, the system operates quietly below 56 decibels for a natural riding experience without excessive noise. The Kamingo kit is compact, low cost, and simple to set up, allowing electric bicycling to be more accessible to the general rider. This is a good add-on that offers freedom, simplicity, portability, and performance. Number 4. Garmin Tacx Alpine. What if indoor cycling could feel almost identical to riding real mountain roads? The Garmin Tacx Alpine transforms virtual cycling into an incredibly immersive training experience. This advanced simulator physically raises and lowers the front of the bike to match gradients from steep descents to brutal climbs reaching 25%. Every hill and terrain change feels far more realistic than traditional indoor setups. Combined with compatible training apps and smart trainers, the system reacts almost instantly to virtual terrain with remarkable precision. Serious cyclists can train more naturally while recreating real-world mountain riding conditions inside their homes. It's not simply exercise equipment, it's an entire landscape brought into your living room for training. Number 3. WheelKeep Bicycle Security System. What if your bike security system was completely invisible to thieves? The WheelKeep Bicycle Security System hides directly inside the headset, replacing the bike's standard star nut and making the tracker extremely difficult to detect. Its discreet look is a bonus for cyclists, because thieves will most likely look for visible tracking devices first. Integrated motion sensors immediately alert the smartphone to possible suspicious motion, and precise GPS tracking helps bike riders find their bike in real time. The app is available for both iOS and Android and offers support for recovery and extra security functionalities in certain areas. Developed by passionate cyclists, WheelKeep combines advanced technology with practical everyday protection for modern riders everywhere. Number 2. Tyler Compact. What if charging your e-bike became as effortless as simply parking it? The Tyler Compact introduces wireless bicycle charging that feels like technology from the future. Riders only need to park their e-bike above the charging plate, and power transfer begins automatically with no cables or plugs required. Delivering 150 watts of charging power, the system can recharge a 500 watt-hour battery in around 3.5 hours, while maintaining performance similar to wired charging systems. It is built to IP67 standard, making it capable of withstanding rain, dust, and heavy daily use. This even works for 24 bikes on a single system, which makes it the perfect equipment for bike sharing stations, offices, hotels, and smart urban transportation systems globally. Number 1. KLIM AI One Airbag Vest. What if your riding gear could protect you before a crash even occurred? The KLIM AI One Airbag Vest is among the greatest advancements in the world of rider safety gear. The vest uses AI and ingenious motion detecting algorithms to recognize key crash scenarios and quickly activate protective airbags. Before impact, the system guards the chest, spine, neck, and abdomen. Unlike older tethered systems, all components function wirelessly without the need for cables to connect to the bike. The vest's technology, though quite advanced, is also light and comfortable and can provide up to 30 hours of battery power. If you find this breakdown helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insane videos. See you in next one.